Are you into handworking and carving? If so, you may have different tools for shaping various materials. But with this angle grinder chain plate, you can cut through materials like wax, regardless of whether it is wood, plastic, or other non-metallic materials. However, over time, the chains may lose their sharpness and become dull. But don't worry, you can easily sharpen them using a chainsaw file. Are you done dealing with hardware errors and looking for ways to detect and troubleshoot these abnormalities? Well, look no further. This hardware monitoring tool interacts with different components, collects data from them, and displays physical values on its LCD screen. So, whether there is a problem with speed, CPU temperature, or display animation, you can easily track it and take necessary measures before things get out of hand. Screwdrivers are a versatile and handy tool when it comes to repairs and assembly. But sometimes hand power alone isn't enough. Pulling out an electric drill for minor tasks is overkill. That's where the electric screwdriver comes in. This screwdriver is equipped with a screw holder that can switch between 6 bits with just a flick of the thumb, making all your repairs and assembly tasks a breeze. Freedom is the ultimate goal for everyone. Gone are the days when you were tethered by long microphone wires. With this wireless microphone system, expressing yourself has never been easier. It weighs less than 30 grams and takes up no space in your pocket or bag. It can easily be attached via clip to your shirt, allowing you to fully use your hands. Additionally, distance does not affect its audio delay, up to 250 meters. Are you looking for a t-shirt that's not just a plain piece of cloth? Look no further. This LED t-shirt illuminates in low light conditions, making it perfect for standing out in a crowd. The battery compartment is safely concealed in a pocket, so you can wear it comfortably and without any worries. We've all experienced the frustration of misplacing keys for a specific cabinet. Say goodbye to that hassle with this smart drawer cabinet lock. You can install this lock on your cabinet or cupboard with screws, and then lock or unlock it through your phone. Losing keys is a common problem, but with this lock, you can simply unlock the cabinet within a range of 10 meters without needing any keys. Nowadays, most devices are built with Bluetooth connectivity, but what if your car's sound system or an old TV doesn't have this feature? This is where the Bluetooth audio transmitter comes in handy. It connects to the device via cable and provides it with Bluetooth capabilities, allowing you to wirelessly stream audio from your phone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device to the non-Bluetooth device. We all know that charging cables can be fragile and easily break. To combat this issue, we have a renewable charging cable. The concept is straightforward. Just like a heart, you can easily cut the cable with scissors and then replace it with a new one by opening the valve. This way, the USB part of the cable remains intact, as it is often the main problem. No more dealing with frayed or broken cables. This renewable charging cable is the solution. With global warming, the heat is becoming increasingly unbearable each year. And it's not practical to carry a regular fan with you everywhere. That's why we have this portable waist fan that can easily be clipped to your waist or neck, providing a cool breeze for up to 23 hours on a single charge. The best part is that it emits no noise, so you can carry on with your tasks without interruption. Power banks are a lifesaver. But what if you've charged your power bank for a long day and you're using your mobile to the fullest, but you forgot to bring the cable with you? To protect you from such an unwanted situation, we have this mini magnetic power bank. It charges your phone with its magnetic suction charging, eliminating the need for a separate cable and ensuring that you never run out of power unexpectedly. You may not realize the importance of a good survival knife until you're out in the wilderness and things get serious. This survival knife can be used for a variety of tasks, such as cutting rope, building a shelter, splitting firewood, and more. The knife is made of high-grade carbon steel with a fixed blade because in a survival situation, you need a knife that is readily available. It's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or anyone who wants to be prepared for any emergency. Dua Lipa song is referring to the speakers when she says, "I'm levitating," as they hover in the air due to powerful magnetic fields. This cutting-edge Bluetooth speaker allows you to play your music loudly during gatherings and produces a 360-degree sound, with the bass serving as a subwoofer. The best feature of the speaker is that it was designed to survive harsh environments, making it simple to attach it to your bicycle or carry it in your pocket. Not everyone has a smooth back from birth, and controlling a hairy back is not an easy task. You don't need to ask anyone for help. You may clean your back on your own using this back shaver. The large handles make it simple to reach such trees. Now you can securely and neatly shave your back whether your body is dry or wet. If everything in your life is fun, why have a dull keychain? Take a step forward and attach this keychain, which is equipped with an air tag, to your belongings with its spring clasp. The fun begins here since it is not just a keychain, but also a screwdriver, an Allen key, and a box opener. Yes, you read that correctly. It conceals 4 instruments. With all of these capabilities, it is incredibly light on your pocket and weighs less than 100 grams. Emergencies may arrive unannounced, but it does not mean you should not be prepared for such tragedies ahead of time. During power outages, this portable power station keeps your important devices and gadgets functioning. You can charge it ahead of time, but if your emergency lasts a few days, don't worry. The magic box, which is about the size of a microwave, can harness the power of the sun and serve as your power source. They say pens can break hearts, but this tactical pen can also break other things. This tactical pen is unquestionably more powerful than a sword because it can deliver a powerful strike. This pen can easily break glass, wood, and metal. It is a must-have tool for the materials. Because it is a pen, it writes well. With this magical stick in your hand, you can now be both a poet and a soldier. This mini toothpick crossbow is small enough to fit in your pocket. This little guy has enough firepower to assist you in improving your archery skills. So, with this crossbow, what are you waiting for? Shoot toothpicks at your targets, but avoid shooting in the eyes to avoid getting in trouble. Water is essential in large quantities whether you are packing for a trip into the wilderness or preparing an emergency kit. This foldable water tank can store water for an extended period of time while remaining space efficient due to its collapsible material. Furthermore, it is made of high-quality PET, which is environmentally friendly and does not affect the taste of the water. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.